Cloves contain compounds with antimicrobial properties that can help combat bacteria and fungi. Cloves can aid in digestion by promoting the production of digestive enzymes and reducing bloating and gas. The aromatic compounds in cloves may have a soothing effect on the respiratory system and can be used to relieve coughs and congestion. Clove oil's analgesic properties make it useful for reducing pain, such as headaches and muscle aches. The anti-inflammatory compounds in ginger can also help reduce pain, particularly in conditions like osteoarthritis and menstrual pain. Ginger contains antioxidants that help strengthen the immune system and protect against oxidative stress. Some studies suggest that ginger can help lower blood pressure and improve cardiovascular health by reducing cholesterol levels and promoting healthy blood circulation. Ingredients: cloves, ginger,